Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python functions call by value. So first of all, what is functions in Python programming? So function is indented block of code which is used to perform some task in a program. Basically, functions, they are used to divide our big program into small modules. Technically, it is called as modular programming. So we can define a function once in a program and we can call or reuse that function any number of times. So here, function eliminates repetition of code and saves the wastage of memory in a program. So we have two types of functions: predefined functions such as print function, range function, input function. So these predefined functions are available with predefined modules, and predefined modules are available with Python software. Second one, user defined functions. So these functions are defined by the developer. So coming to the syntax, call by value in functions. So I'm defining a function f1 with input parameters. So this function I'm going to call with arguments. So here, what is call by value in function definition? So any changes done with formal parameters are not reflected, not updated to actual arguments in function call. So this is called as call by value. So in call by value, the formal parameters which are used in the function definition. Okay, so if you do any changes with the formal parameters, those are not updated to actual arguments. So these are formal parameters which are accepted in the function, and these are actual arguments which are passed to the function. So basically, this is achieved by passing immutable object. So whenever we pass immutable object, so what happens internally? So this immutable object, it will create a new reference whenever formal parameters in the function updates the data or modifies the data. The basic example for immutable object is string. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program for clear understanding. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. Right. So next I'm taking a function definition f1. So for this f1 function I'm passing s2, which is a string. Okay, now let us start with the other coding after the function definition. So s1 is equals to hello. So print s1 id of s1. Right, so let us execute till here and then we'll perform the function call. Save this program. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So py python function example 5. Right. So initially we have hello in the string, and this is the ID or reference of the string to which S1 is pointing to in the memory, which is 4736, a unique address in the memory. Right. So what happens when we try to modify this using a formal parameter? So in memory it is like this. S1 will be pointing to hello. Hello is a string object. So this S1 contains the unique address. So this is the unique address of S1. Right. So now let us make a function call. I'm calling F1 function by passing S1. Right. So let us execute till here. So it will go to the f1 function. Okay, so in memory what happens means s2 is assigned with s1. So s2 also points to the same object, hello object in the memory. So if you see here, before modifications, print s2 id of s2. So let us execute only this part, okay, inside the function. Right, so save this, right, run it. Okay, so let us put comment for this memory representation of s1 s2. Okay, right, so run it. So if you see here, s1 hello, this is the unique address. So s1 is assigned to s2. So before modifications inside a function, s2 is hello and it is also having the same address. So initially s1 s2 are pointing to the same address. Now string is an immutable object. Original modifications are not possible on the data. So after modifications, so what is the modification I'm making? s2 is equals to s2 plus world. So what happens here actually? So when we say s2 is equals to s2 plus world, now s2 will create a new reference in the memory, and this reference, it will be pointing to hello world. This is a new reference. So original, it cannot be modified. So s2 no longer points to, okay, hello. It will not point to hello. So after this modifications, print s2, we will get a new address, new data, which is hello world. Print id of s2, we will get a new address. So that new address will be available in s2. So let us check it out. So since string is an immutable object, modifications, now s2 contains hello world. This is the new address. Previously s1 and s2 are pointing to hello. Now s1 is pointing to hello only, but s2 is pointing to hello world with a new address. Okay, right. So now after executing the function, the control will come back to the next line in the program. So here I'm putting again print s1 id of s1. So save this program and then run. So back again in the program, s1 contains hello. S1 will have the same address which was there initially, and this address keeps on changing from execution to execution and program to program. So this is how any changes done with s2 are updated to only s2. They are not updated or they are not reflected to s1. So this is what we call it as call by reference. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.